So hello, this is Shola coming to you from Philadelphia. This is my basement, up just below my kitchen. I am a research chef. I have a test kitchen somewhere else in the city, but most of my work is focused and concentrated on process development, meaning I try to find sensible, clever ways to make food. Let's avoid the lights. Um, Down here, as you can see, I keep a variety of ingredients for experimentation. You can. This is kind of a very detailed pantry situation. So whenever I feel I need to experiment, I can find just about anything I need and play around with the tools of the trade. So this is where everything starts. But anyway, so I am a big Thermomix fan. I've used the Thermomix for about 10 years now, from the TM, I think 2, TM3. And I'm very excited about the TM6. We're going to make a sauce today that's a liquid praline of pumpkin seeds. It's both a sweet and a savory sauce, based on nuts, obviously, with sugar, a little bit of salt, and takes advantage of the best attribute of the Thermomix, which is the ability to heat and blend very effectively. So let's get to it. We're gonna go upstairs and make some food. So here we go. So this is my kitchen. We're going to. So here are our ingredients. We are going to first. Here's our little friend here. Ready to go. There we go. Thermomix to go. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so here are the ingredients. We're going to make a liquid praline of pumpkin seeds. It's very important to note that when we say praline, we think of the caramelized nuts and sugar that we see as a crispy agent in desserts and some savory dishes sometimes. But the beauty of the Thermomix is you can make a praline starting with all the same ingredients without going through the caramelization and then just using the heat to blend and create like a smooth emulsion sauce. The ingredients are pumpkin seeds, of course. This is about a cup of green pumpkin seeds. We have half a cup of light brown sugar. We have 1.5 cups of pumpkin seed oil. So as you can see, we're using both the nut and the oil. That way we'll get a really interesting, strong depth of flavor. And we have about a teaspoon of salt. So the process really starts, we sort of select Varoma setting, which is, let's go to Varoma. And we're going to start with about 5 minutes. Okay, so let's try 5 minutes. Okay, and then let's see. The first thing we do is add the nuts to the mixing bowl. So pumpkin seeds in. Okay. Put on the lid. And we're looking at speed number 2. Okay. 1, 2. And basically what's happening now is we're going to toast the nuts slightly, just for about 5 minutes. And watch as the aromas build up, and then we'll continue the recipe. Wait for my nuts being roasted. This is the first part of the recipe. As you can see, I open the top. I have good aroma. Smells good. And next we're just really going to add all the rest of the ingredients. So we are done. There we go. And then 8 seconds. Alright. So now, next what we do is we add the rest of the ingredients. The oil, pumpkin seed oil. The sugar and the salt. Okay, put the lid back on, and this time we're setting for just 85 degrees centigrade. Okay, and we're going for another 5 minutes. Let's see. And our speed is going to be a little bit higher now. We're going to about speed 5. No, actually speed 4. Okay. So as soon as the nuts are warm and we have the beginnings of emulsification, we're gradually going to increase the speed to the maximum. So that should be fully emulsified. Let's take a look. And there you have it. Nice, full green puree. So to give you an idea of what the end product is, this is what a liquid praline looks like. So there we go. It's delicious. It's perfectly green, perfectly smooth, and tasty. So this is something that can be used as a dessert sauce. Savory sauce works with grilled meat. Imagine plating a plate of food just so you can see the consistency. It is. And so this can also be done with things like cashews, pistachios, peanuts perhaps. But it's a delicious combination of roasted nut, sugar, just a slight essence of salt. Delicious. So there you have it, liquid pistachio praline from the Thermomix.